And they're up. Save our queen. Draws for your lead. Classy Pages sorry outside. Nose west. Running by the rail. Then moving up. East Sound Value. Followed by Barraco. Devil in Disguise. Then running on the outside. Fabiola. And Live in Manila is in behind them. As they round the last 600. Save our queen in command by about a length and a half. Barraco moving a party outside by the release nose west as they swing toward the last 450. Now we have Barraco from the outside. Nose west is by the rail. Save our queen drops back in third as they turn for home. Barraco in command running by the rail is entry number 1 nose west nicking in. Classy Pages save our queen with the last 150 more to run. Barraco running at the center by the rail. Classy Pages moving up is Live in Manila. Now we have Live in Manila and finally Live in Manila. Classy Pages, Barraco, Sound Value, Fabiola. Then comes Nose West, Save Our Queen, and Devil in Disguise.